Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again, and today we are going to unbox and review Skyvik Beam2 wireless fast charger. As you can see, this fast charger is mentioned over here on the box. There's a picture of the product, standard branding on sides as well. At the back there are specifications, what's inside the box, and the MRP is 2,999, but I have bought this from Amazon at 1,500 rupees. So let's start and open the box. This is the box, this is the packaging. Basic card box packaging, nothing fancy. So here it is, our contents of the box. This is main charging stand, micro USB cable, some reading materials. There's one thumbs up as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. The more you like my channel, the more you subscribe my channel, like my videos, I will post more electronics videos and other videos as well. So please do like and subscribe my channel as well. There's standard pamphlet, but they also have this is a user manual, and this is a thank you card. Basically this is a thank you card, says thank you for buying Skyvik products, and this is 18 months extended warranty and 15% off on your next purchase. That's nice. Let's keep these aside. So let's start opening the main charging stand. The main purpose of this video is to show how this charger works. So this is our stand. I don't have power output right now, so we'll use this by a power bank. Okay, the build quality is really nice. It's made out of plastic, and let's see how does it work. This is the micro USB cable port. We have one cushion right here at the beginning, so that your phone doesn't fall. So let's start. Let's assemble the product. So here it is. Just as it is. Okay, so as you can see, there is a blue light, very nice light, blue LED light. You can see it now when I put my hand on it. There is a blue light when I use this phone. Yes, this blue light turns into green, and it says that your phone is charging and you have 1 hour and 21 minutes until it's fully charged. So this is nice. Let me check whether it is fast charging or not. No, it's wirelessly charging but not fast charging right now, as we have not connected it to the fast charger. We have connected it to the power bank, so the fast charging won't work here. That's it for today's video, and please do like and subscribe the video, and please suggest in your comments whether I need to review other things, and what you guys like to review, like me to review the things. Thank you so much.